Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for bankruptcy step by step. Gather all income records, Form 1099s, bank statements, and a list of creditors before you begin. Decide between Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 based on income, assets, and debt limits. Complete the means test and required credit counseling, then file the petition with your court and attend the creditor meeting to move the process forward. Start by organizing every document so nothing surprises you later. Make a clear list of creditors and balances, include priority debts separately, and gather recent tax returns and pay stubs. Take photos or scans of bank statements and title documents for your vehicle and home. Confirm exemptions available in your state to know what you can keep, and save copies to upload when you file your petition online or at court. When you file, make sure your petition is complete and accurate to avoid delays. Pay the filing fee or apply for a waiver if eligible, then submit schedules listing assets, debts, and income. Attend the 341 meeting of creditors and answer routine questions under oath, and finish the debtor education course afterward. If everything is in order, the court will grant a discharge that relieves eligible debts and helps you rebuild credit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.